Landoll 440B is the newest version of Landoll's popular 400 series traveling axle trailer. This model includes Landoll's improved hydraulic system and also adds a new high-visibility lighting package that features additional turn signals, control panel illumination, and a rear strobe light. This trailer at Midco Sales measures 50 feet long and has an 80,000-pound hauling capacity. It rides on an air ride suspension system and polished aluminum wheels. A 20,000-pound winch is mounted at the front of the trailer, and the toolboxes have been redesigned to have top opening covers. A wireless remote operates the winch, deck tilt, and axle travel. Midco Sales is an authorized Landoll dealer. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about any of Landoll's trailers.